Good morning, class. In our last class, we have proved basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, and today we are going to prove a corollary based on basic proportionality theorem. If in a triangle ABC, a line DE is parallel to BC, intersect AB at D and AC at E, then we have to show that so it is a triangle ABC and line DE is parallel to BC. Then we have to show that AD by AB is equal AE by AC. Means first we have to prove that AD by AB is equal AE by AC, and second AB by AB by BD is equal AC by AC. Means AD by AB is equal AE by AC, first theorem, and second AB by BD is equal AC by EC. Now we proved this corollary by basic proportionality theorem. What is the basic proportionality theorem? What is basic proportionality theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then this line divides other two sides in same ratio. Means from basic proportionality theorem, we have if D is parallel to BC, then the ratio of AD by DB, AD and DB is equal to AE and AC. AE and EC means AD by DB is equal AE by EC when DE parallel to BC. Now we have to prove these two terms. Then firstly we add 1 in each side, both side, then AD by DB plus 1 equal AE by EC plus 1. Now taking LCM, we have AD plus DB by DB is equal AE plus EC by EC. AD plus DB is AB by DB. AE plus EC is EC by EC. And It is proving of second corollary. Now first is AD by AB, AE by EC. Since we have AD by DB is equal AE by EC. Now taking reciprocal of these two terms, we have dB by AD is equal EC by AE. Adding one each side, then dB by AD plus 1, EC by AE plus 1. We have dB plus AD by AD equal EC plus AE by AE. Now dB plus AD is AB and it is AD. AC plus AE plus CE is AC by AE. Now taking reciprocal again, we have AD by AB is equal AE by AC, and it is proving of first corollary.